This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a Summit dishwasher that isn't working very well. It's just has some very strange symptoms. Mainly though, it's not able to drain the water. It's very common with all dishwashers. So I got water in there. I'm going to press this pause button for about 4 seconds. Make sure the power is on. And that will activate the drain feature. And I can hear it draining, but it doesn't sound very robust. It doesn't sound like the water is moving very fast. And at the end of the drain cycle, when it stopped draining, I opened it up and there was still water left in. So I got rid of some of the water, but not enough. That usually points toward an obstructed drain tube. So somewhere in the drain tube there's stuff caught in there. It's a pretty easy fix. Normally the drain tube will drain into, goes up to an air gap near the kitchen sink and then drains into the garbage disposer, and then that water drains into the sink drain. So on this one it just wasn't getting rid of all the water. And the drain tube on this one goes directly into the sink drain right here. And it kind of bypasses, there's no garbage disposer. So I'm going to put in a bucket underneath. I'm going to use my pliers and I'm going to pull off the dishwasher drain tube and just take a look. When I did pull it off, what I noticed is right away there was something caught in it right here at the end where it's supposed to enter the sink drain, and it turned out to be a small piece of glass, and there was also some other debris caught behind it. So some water was able to come out, but not all of it, and this is resulting in a dishwasher that really couldn't wash the dishes and had a bunch of stuff left over. So here's the end of that drain tube, and you can see there's a bunch of junk caught in there. And that happens because the drain tube has to go into another tube that's smaller, and that kind of catches all the debris. So I was able to pull that out with some needle nose pliers, and then I was just making sure that this tube was nice and clear. So I'll go ahead and put the drain tube back on, and then I'll use my pliers to secure the spring clamp and then make sure that it's able to drain. So in this variety, this dishwasher, the computer gives a certain amount of seconds for all of the water to drain. And if it doesn't, it'll cause all kinds of problems. It can make it stall, can give weird codes. I'm just checking this filter and make sure it's clean. Reaching into the sump, feeling around, making sure there's nothing left in there. Be careful when you do that because sometimes there's sharp glass in there. Put the screen back in there securely. Make sure I lock down the filter by turning it until it locks into place. I'm going to twist the nut here on this middle spray arm and pull it out. Make sure there's nothing caught in these little holes, these jets. This looks really good. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back up and twist the nut to lock it in. This is very similar to the Bosch dishwasher, but this is a Summit dishwasher. Pull up the bottom arm. Take a look at the jets. There's a little bit of junk here. I'm going to just pull it out. There we go. So, dishwasher is pretty clean. It looks like it's working good. It was just the drain problem. So I'm going to fill it again, and then I'll go ahead and press the drain function. So now I look in and I see that we got a lot of water. It's above the filter handle. That's the normal amount of water. I'm going to see if I can get rid of all of it now. So I'm going to close the door. I'm going to press this pause button for 4 seconds. 2, 3, 4. And now it's starting to drain. The drain sounds a lot better. It sounds a lot more robust, a lot stronger, more volume of water. And what I came to find out is now the
computer can do what it's supposed to. It can get rid of the water in the right amount of time, and the dishwasher is working good. So it's just a bunch of stuff was caught in that drain tube. So I pull it out, bone dry. Perfect. So thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you with your Summit dishwasher. Please subscribe when you get a chance, and we'll send you some more repair videos.